going to be working on the endocrine system. The endocrine system is the system in the body that regulates the hormones in our body. And we're going to focus on two main hormone glands, the pituitary, which is in the center of the thumb, and we'll just rotate on the pituitary gland. And you can use your thumb to do so. Next, we will look at the thyroid, and the thyroid is at the base of the thumb, and it goes all the way around the thumb. And you can thumb walk around the thyroid. If you have hyperthyroidism, though, we recommend that you not stimulate the thyroid hormone, as you don't want to produce too much TSH hormone. And remember, if you do it on one hand, you must do it on the other hand. So we will again stimulate the pituitary gland in the center of the thumb pad. We'll just rotate on it, and we'll also thumb walk around the thyroid gland, which is again at the base of the thumb. Thumb walking sometimes might be a little difficult, so sometimes we recommend just rubbing around the base of the thumb. If that is easier, then it's another option. And this helps to stimulate those two hormone glands. Hope this helps. Please try it.